Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like games? Do you like play to earn games? Do you like metaverse games? Then you will like this video because we will be talking about skill labs, one place or one platform or one dashboard that summarizes everything for you at your fingertips. We will go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is not for investment advice. It's only for educational purposes, and everything as usual is linked down below in the description, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the platform Skill Labs. What's going on here and what to expect from such a platform or such a dashboard. So let's go through it here. As you can see, quick word, they have built a platform that connects everyone, players and gamers and game developers even, so everything can be in one place, and it's a data-driven platform or a dashboard. We will go through the dashboard in a minute, but here you can apply for scholarships and you can also have the option to join as an investor. So as you can see here, it's kind of exploding in the last few weeks and months. The attention on the play to earn games is just at an unprecedented levels. It's just going crazy, parabolically crazy, how many people are interested in such projects. So there is an urgent need for one place to summarize everything and to put everything at your fingertips, very easy to use interface and a very easy to use metrics. So that's when Skill Labs come in handy. As you can see here, it's kind of gathering all the necessary information for you in one place in a very easy to navigate, and they are also adding more and more games here. And also let's talk about the partners before we go into the dashboard over here. As you can see, big names in the market, Polygon, and they're even expanding to other networks. And also they have the key values here. You can have a look at them and you can also contact them if you have any questions, any query, or if you want to reach out for them for collaborations, or you want to launch your NFT or so, and you can get in touch with them. So let's dive deep into the main thing here, which is the dashboard. This dashboard will be one of the most useful tools for you as a player or as an investor or as a potential NFT buyer as well. If you want to invest NFT project that's related to play to earn game, then you might need to use this tool or this dashboard to give you a holistic overview of what's going on before you start investing or you start making decisions whether you want to play a certain game or whether you want to invest in a certain project. So what's going on here? Here you will have, it's a very nice interface. It's kind of a tabular form or a table form, and it puts here the games. These are the games that they are currently monitoring, and here you will have the new playing users, meaning that it's over the last 30 days here. That's a kind of logical time frame to measure metrics. And here you will have the number of the new playing users joining the game or jumping into such a project. Here you will have a number of these projects or the number of players in such a game, so you will have also a direction to understand whether this game is actually as proposed or as successful as it sounds, or is it actually over exaggerated and not that many people are involved anyway. Here you will have the percentage in profit over the last 30 days, and here you will have some good numbers. Some are non-applicable here, NA, and some will have some decent numbers like 6%, 7.4%, 3.8%. So you can evaluate the game of your choice or the project of your choice whenever you want to jump in. Then you can take that into consideration, and also know that there is a risk factor also involved in any kind of investment or in any kind of game or in anything in life. There is such a risk involved here. As you can see here, how hard is it to earn in a particular project? Here you will have it's high, but generally speaking, this will also be depending on the market condition. Of course, you know, everything is interconnected in the space right now. It's metaverse, it's cryptocurrency, it's Bitcoin, it's everything is interconnected and interrelated, that it affects everything. And now as we speak, the market is not really at its best form, so you will have high level of risk here before you get involved in any project. So that's kind of a transparent thing in front of you, saying to you, okay, make sure that you're only investing money you can afford to lose, or you just entering a project you're capable of actually spending money playing this game, but probably it's not going to be that much of a return anyway. And here you have an average ROI over the last 30 days as well, giving you in a beautiful percentage. And Twitter for me personally and for many of you as well, and it has become dominant now in the cryptocurrency space to monitor how Twitter pages are going for such a project or for any given project, meaning that you will have to have a look at the Twitter account and see how legitimate it is, how big it is, and how exponentially growing or actually failing it is. So let's have a look at Skill Labs on Twitter. Currently they are at 85,000 followers. The community is growing. The community is quite interactive. You will find that people are talking, people are replying to each other, people are helping out each other, because it's a play to earn gaming platform mainly. Of course you can get involved with NFTs or with potential buying NFTs or so, but here it's a players community, it's gaming community. So the gaming community has this kind of mindset that they're helping each other. So never underestimate the power of community. And here the Twitter indicator or the Twitter metric will give you an honest overview how the Twitter is going over the last period. So you will also see whether the community is growing for such a project, or probably they're actually diminishing and people are bailing out of a project, or probably they're fed up and they're starting to reconsider whether they should carry on joining such a project or not. Here also you can have some good channels with them. You can join the Discord, you can join Telegram, and you can follow them on Twitter. So here in a nutshell, this project is actually offering you one of the greatest services in the cryptocurrency space, play to earn, or in the gaming arena right now, or in the metaverse arena of games. How? Well, it's summarizing everything for you in a very easy to understand way, in a very easy way to digest. So let's take learn more, for instance, and you will jump into such a project. You will see the risk level, you will see the average profit, you will see the new players using this game, you will see the metrics in a very useful format and a very easy to digest and understand format, and users by date. That's day to day. And here you will have even more metrics as you choose, and you can tweak it. And here you can have the NFTs for such a project, and you can see how many are burned and how many are minted already and how many are still available. And you can have a quick overview of such a project. You will see how many advantages are you getting if you get involved at a certain point in time, and what kind of perks you are having in playing such a game, and what's your probability or what's your chance of actually winning in such a game or gaining some ROI on such a game. So as you can see here, it's summarizing everything in a very easy way, and nowadays you can potentially get information for free at any point, and you can just get yourself knowledgeable of anything. But the beauty of such projects, it's instead of just wasting a lot of time trying to get every single piece of these charts or every single piece of this information separately on a different platform or in a different YouTube channel, or probably searching on the internet endlessly until you get the piece of information you want. No, here everything at your fingertips at a very good interface and a very coherent flow of information. So you're not gonna waste time. It's just a click and you will get all the information you need, and then you decide, okay, I would join such a project, or probably I will search for another project giving me more perks and more advantages. So that's the way they're doing things right now. And here you can have it's completely neutral. They're giving you data they are gaining from the project itself, and it's also giving you feedback. How successful is such a project, and how can you maneuver your way if you're already invested in a project, or you're already playing in a game and you want probably to bail out, or probably you want to heavily invest in NFT, or you want to potentially buy more NFTs from given project. So things here are time saving. It's an effort saving platform. So I would highly recommend you to check it out in the links down below and give it a go. I mean, the more knowledge you have, the more knowledgeable you are in such a way, so you can potentially make more profits. You have to have some good orientation in the market or in the gaming platforms even, in order for you to make good decisions and choose the right platforms or choose the right projects to go for, or to invest in, or probably to buy NFTs. I mean, things are getting quite exciting in the space in general, but also there are a lot of not really successful projects. So here you can have an overview of everything, and as I told you, the team is very supportive. You can get in touch with them, you can ask, you can even become a member with them, and then you can start your own journey and even developing or giving your feedback on the platform, and they are happy to reply and happy to collaborate with you in any form or any way. And as I told you, here everything is linked down below, and you can check it out yourself and get more information about it yourself. Read more, inform yourself, and things will get more and more clear for you as you go. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Skill Labs, an interesting project, or I would say one of the most useful projects out there if you like play to earn games. It summarizes everything for you in one place, easy to understand, easy to maneuver, easy to navigate, so you don't waste time or you scatter your focus alongside many platforms. It's all in one. So I would highly recommend you to check it out. Everything is linked down below in the description. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and see you next one. Bye bye.